Kamyas guys. Medyo mahirap yung parking pero paghapon wala namang tao, lunchtime kanya. So ito yan o, hindi naman sila ganun ka pricey, affordable naman. So ito na yung order ko, pork char siu noodles. Sarap nyan guys, medyo matamis nga lang. Ito yung chicken feet at ito naman yung pork and shrimp siomai. See you!